Hey, today we're here to look at how to change lower end oil on a outboard motor. Let's get to it. Alright, so what you're going to need is a bucket to drain the oil into, a big flat screwdriver, and gear lube, which is just another form of high performance oil that really does a great job at keeping your gears lubricated so that they don't overheat and break. You will also need a oil pump that fits right onto the oil jug, and it has the adapter that goes into the bottom end of the motor where the plug screw goes, so it's easy fill on the motor. I'll have it linked in the description below. For when you're doing a full oil change, you take out the bottom screw and then take out the top screw and allow it to drain totally. Then you insert the oil pump into the lower bolt hole and then pump it until oil slowly starts coming out the top screw. But in this case, we're just checking it. So we're taking the top screw out to check if any oil will come out, and if not, we'll start filling it from the bottom. There is no oil, so I'll put the top screw back in so that when I take the bottom screw out to insert the oil pump, it does not leak out all of the good oil left inside. To fill, take out bottom screw, wait for 1 or 2 seconds to make sure that there's no water inside, then insert oil pump, and then take out upper screw and pump until oil slowly starts coming out top screw hole. Before you put the drain screw back in, make sure that the magnet's clean and has no metal fragments on it, so that the oil stays clean throughout motor use. Be sure to have that drain screw and big screwdriver ready so that all the oil doesn't drain out. Then wipe off all excess oil so that it doesn't wipe off into the lake. And that's it. That's all there is to changing or checking lower end oil on an outboard motor. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification button, because there will be more how-tos and repairs on this channel. Thank you. Feel free to share.